Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to replace the battery of a car key. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project and see how we can able to replace the battery of a car keys. So let's start. So friend, first of all, open the keyring of your car keys, and if you have any cover you have to replace it. So as I have cover in my car keys, I have to replace the silicone cover before opening it. So after that, you can see there is a screw provided. You have to open it. So first open the screw, and after that the top part of the key will be opened. So you can see it here, I have opening the screw, and after that you have to remove the top cover. So most of the car keys can be opened by this way. Now there is a unit, it is totally placed inside the frame and you have to open it. So you can see I have opened it, and inside this part the battery is basically. So first open with the help of any screwdriver or tools, you can open it, and after that you can see inside this unit there is a battery. So this battery you have to replace it and your car key will be live again. So with a tool you have to, or knife, you have to open this battery now. So the positive part of the battery will be downward and the negative part will be at the top. So I have to replace this battery with a new one. So here is the new battery. So the number of the battery is, you can see, CR1620 3V Panasonic. So this is the main part or the circuit part of the car key. You can see it here. So I have dismantled the entire key to show you how it looks from inside. After that you have to reinstall all the component to its right position. So now I will install this entire thing inside that keyframe. So I have installed the entire unit, and now I will install the main circuit part inside the keyframe, and after that I will put the top cover. So now install the top cover, and with the help of the screw it is completed now. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.